A job is the most common source of income. Stable, predictable, but limited. It depends on time, hours worked, effort given. Income stops when work stops. This creates dependency on a single source, a single system, with limited control, and over time, dependency becomes a pattern, a routine that feels safe, but slowly removes flexibility, because every decision is tied to one system. Your time is scheduled, your income is defined, your growth is controlled externally. And while that structure provides stability, it also creates a ceiling, a limit that is difficult to break. But income does not require a job. It requires systems. Structured ways for money to flow without constant effort. This is where everything begins to change. Because instead of asking, how can I work more? The question becomes, how can I build something that works for me? The first system is digital assets, created once, used repeatedly, generating income over time. Content, products, media, videos, courses, digital tools. They require effort up front, focus, consistency, sometimes weeks, sometimes months, with little visible return. But once established, they continue operating. A single video can generate income for years. A digital product can sell globally without needing your presence every time. This is where leverage begins. You move from time-based income to system-based income. The second system is services. At first, services still depend on time. You deliver value, you get paid. But unlike a job, services can evolve. You can structure them, create repeatable processes. Build systems around delivery. Instead of doing everything yourself, you create a framework, something others can follow. You delegate, you expand, you multiply capacity. Now income grows without equal growth and effort. This is scalability in action. The third system is investing. This is where money becomes productive. Instead of being spent, it is allocated into assets that generate returns. At first, growth feels slow, almost invisible. This is where most people lose patience. But compounding is not designed for speed at the start. It is designed for acceleration over time. Returns generate more returns. Growth builds on itself. And eventually, momentum becomes powerful. This is where wealth begins to form quietly, without constant effort. The fourth system is platforms. Modern ecosystems that connect value. They allow individuals to create, distribute, and earn without traditional employment. You build once. You publish. You reach a global audience. This removes barriers and creates opportunity. These systems reduce dependency on a single income source, creating flexibility and resilience. Because when one system slows, others continue. But there is a challenge. These systems take time. Effort at the beginning, with delayed results. This is where most people stop. They expect fast outcomes, quick income, immediate success. But systems don't work like that. They require patience, consistency, and repetition. Most quit early, before systems mature, before growth accelerates, before results become visible. Consistency changes everything. Small actions repeated daily build powerful systems over time. Systems improve, income grows gradually, stability increases. What once felt slow becomes unstoppable momentum. Diversification becomes important. Multiple income streams, multiple systems working together, reducing risk, strengthening financial position. If one system fails, others continue. This creates stability that a single job cannot provide. Automation enhances efficiency. Processes run independently. Systems operate without constant attention. Content distributes. Sales occur. Investments grow. All in the background. This reduces manual effort and increases scalability. This is where passive elements appear. Income continues even when you are not actively working, not completely passive, but significantly less dependent on time. This is the transition point. From earning income to generating income, from effort to leverage. The key principle is independence, not relying on one source, but building multiple flows that support each other. Another principle is discipline. Early income is reinvested, not consumed. This is critical, because reinvestment fuels growth. strengthens systems, expands reach, accelerates progress. Most people fail here. They see early success, increased spending, lifestyle grows, but systems don't, and progress resets. Successful path is different. Income grows, but systems grow faster. More assets, more streams, more control, creating long-term wealth. 3 key insights emerge. First, income without a job requires systems. Second, scalability defines long-term success. Third, consistency builds momentum. The difference is not opportunity. Opportunities exist, systems are available, but execution is rare, consistency is rare, discipline is rare, and that is what creates the gap. Job provides income, but systems create freedom. The transition is gradual, not instant. You don't leave one system overnight, you build alongside it, step by step, system by system, stream by stream, till income no longer depends on a single source, and your time is no longer directly tied to your earnings. The question is not whether jobs are necessary. The question is, are you building something beyond it? Because in the end, financial freedom is not about avoiding work. It's about building systems that continue working even when you don't. If you want more insights into income systems, wealth building, and financial strategy, explore more videos on Wealth Finance 61. Like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.